welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. And today when you guys are seeing it, it's going to be Saturday, May the 20th. Yes, May the 20th of 2023. And I'm coming at you guys from Kroger for a Saturday video. It's been a hot minute since I've done a Saturday Kroger video, but I'm kind of wanting to bring this back on really hot weeks when it's a mega sale week or something like that, because guys, some of these deals are so good, I don't want you to have to wait till Wednesday to hear about them. So I'm really stoked. It's going to be an awesome video. I hope you all are excited. A lot of awesome coupons actually coming out in the Sunday paper. Not always the case, but this week we have some great ones coming in the Sunday paper that match up perfectly with stuff on sale at Kroger. So you actually might want to pick up a paper or two this week. And then we'll also talk about deals that don't even take any coupons in the Sunday paper or anything like that later. So it's going to be a long video, but it's going to be full of great deals. All right, guys, in the description box, I have a link to the printable breakdown. Print it out, bring it with you, view on your phone, whatever you want to do. Also, if you're not already signed up for the rebate apps like Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch, get signed up. I have my referrals down below to do that. So, guys, let's just dive right into our Kroger deals for this weekend and beyond. I feel like Buzz Lightyear, to infinity and beyond. Guys, I am so excited to start out this video by talking about laundry deals that are going to be going on at Kroger with our coupons that we are getting in this Sunday's paper. Like, I am so excited. So guys, we are getting some super awesome Snuggle and all coupons in the Sunday paper. So in the 521 saves. So we got Snuggle on mega event at Kroger for $2.99. We're getting a 1-off-of-1 Snuggle coupon of any Snuggle products. It's just going to make these $1.99. The best deals though are actually on all detergent. So on the all free and clear. The all free and clear Mighty packs are $2.99. $2 off coupon coming in Sunday's paper, making it 99 cents. They're regularly $6.79. Who pays that? Somebody must, but 99 cents with a coupon and a sale, that's the way you do it. Liquid, they're out of the liquid, but it is $2.99 for the free and clear, and we're getting a $1.50 coupon in the 521 save for this, making it $1.49. So great, great, great deals on the all at Kroger. Guys, we have some awesome coupons coming out in the Sunday paper for Sweet Baby Ray's. So Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauces are $1.49 each. We have a $1 off of 4 coupon coming in the 521 save, just making them $1.24 each. But the best deal is actually on the dipping sauce. The dipping sauces are $1.49 each, and we have a $1.25 off a 2 coupon coming in the 521 save, just making these 87 cents a piece. So pretty awesome deal for the Sweet Baby Ray's products at Kroger. Great deal is going to be on Ken's salad dressing. I love all these like barbecue kind of coupons, grilling season coupons that come out during the summer months. This is great. So the Ken's dressings, simply vinaigrette, they're included at $1.99 on the mega. Already great because they're normally $3.99. We're getting a 1-off-of-1 coupon for the simply vinaigrette dressing, making it 99 cents in the save insert. And then we're getting a $1.50 off of 2 just regular Ken's in the 521 save. So $1.99, $1.50 off 2 will just make those $1.24. So great prices for the salad dressing. All right, so check your Ibotta account for an easy freebie on the core bars. Actually a money maker. Thanks so much to Lauren at Texas Frugal Finds for the heads up. I don't have this rebate, sadly. Hopefully you guys do. The core bar at Kroger, it's not marked, but it's on the mega event for $1.49. And Ibotta put up a $2.50 rebate on this, on select accounts, not on mine, but on select accounts for $2.50 back. So actually make this totally free plus $1.01 money maker, which is awesome. So check your account for that rebate. That's great. Guys, a super awesome freebie popped up, but again, this is a your mileage may vary, because now I got this one, but several of you guys commented that you didn't get this one. So I don't know, but I found these the Dave's Killer Bread. These are $5.99. I have a rebate on Ibotta for $5.99 back, just making this totally free. So yum. Didn't even know Dave's Killer made granola bars, but I'm excited to give these a try, and for free, can't beat it. So awesome. So we also have some really nice yogurt deals. So first up, the Too Good yogurt smoothies. These guys are $1.34 each at Kroger. There's a rebate on Ibotta for $1 back for Too Good yogurt smoothies, making these 34 cents a piece, which is great. Another deal you could do is on the Too Good yogurts. Probably staring right at them. It's these. Here we go. They're on sale for $1.49. Go ahead and buy 2 of them actually. There's a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta for 1. So buy 2. You get the 75 cents on Ibotta times 2, so $1.50. But then Ibotta has a, Kroger Cashback has a rebate for 75 cents back when you buy 2. So it's just gonna make it 73 cents for both, or like 37 cents a piece. Nice deal, so great. Guys, another deal y'all can do is on the Clorox plus Tilex daily shower cleaner. You might be like, Nick, you did a video on Wednesday and you told us we could do this with swag bucks. You are correct, but you actually can do this again on 3 different apps. So swag bucks, Inbox Dollars, My Points, and Tada are all owned by the same parent company called Protege or Protege. I don't exactly know like how they pronounce it, but whatever. And they have the rebates on each app, which is awesome. So on Tada and Inbox Dollars, $6 back on 2 makes these 69 cents a piece, which is awesome. However, with My Points, the conversion's a little bit higher. It's actually worth $6.43 when you buy 2. So it'll actually make it 96 cents for these 2 cleaners, which is phenomenal. So great deal on either app. But we also have deals on the bleach. So the bleach, if I can find it, it's all the way down here at the end. The Clorox bleach. It is just regular price, $3.79. Same thing goes, $6 on 2, either from Swag Bucks, Inbox Dollars, or Tada, or over on My Points, it's actually going to be worth $6.43. So it'll just make it $1.15 for both, or 58 cents a piece. Awesome, awesome deal for the bleach. So amazing deals on Clorox over here at Kroger. Okay, so another deal that you guys can do again is actually on the Back to Nature cookies. Now, we mentioned this on Wednesday's video with Swag Bucks, but the cool thing is that Swag Bucks is actually a part of a company called Protege, like I said, and the rebates are actually available on 4 different apps: Swag Bucks, Inbox Dollars, Tada, and My Points. So you could do it on Tada or Inbox Dollars, $4 back on 2, making them 99 cents a box. But My Points is actually worth a little bit more. It is worth $4.28 when you buy 2. So this makes it $1.70 for 2 boxes, or 85 cents each. And these are delicious. I've had the double cream and the fudge mint, and they're both so good. So great deals. All right, guys, I have an awesome deal for the Country Time Tang Kool-Aid drink mix. Every summer, I say you should never pay more than 99 cents for these because they always are 99 cents or less. We have a great deal. These guys are regularly $3.99, but they're on the mega event if you buy 5 or more participating items for $1.99. And Ibotta has a $1 rebate for these right now, just making them 99 cents a canister, which is a really awesome, awesome deal. All right, so we got some Kotex over here at Kroger on sale for $2.99. per package or whatever. $2 off coupons coming in the Sunday paper, either for the pads or liners. There's like 2 different coupons. So $2 off of 1. Use those coupons. You're going to pay 99 cents at the register, which is pretty decent. But if you don't want to wait till Sunday, there is a $2 digital. So you can get it right now for 99 cents as well. So great prices for the Kotex. Super nice deal for Breakstone's cottage cheese at Kroger. These guys are regularly $3.89, but we have a mega event price of $1.99 right now. And there's an Ibotta rebate for $1 back, just making them 99 cents. So if you like the Breakstone's cottage cheese, that's a really great price. So we did mention this one last week, but this one is a reset deal. So that means even if you did it last week or even this week, it resets after 24 hours on Ibotta, so you can do it again. So the Quaker Life cereals are regularly $3.49, but they're on the mega for $1.99, and there's a 75-cent Ibotta. Makes it $1.24 a box, which for Life is a really, really, really good price. Like, it's easier to get General Mills, like Lucky Charms and Cheerios for 99 cents, but Life, it's a lot harder to get deals on that, so $1.24 is a really good deal. Guys, we have an awesome deal on these guys. The Hot Pockets Deli Witch. It has to be the cheese melt though. So the cheese melt Deli Witch sandwiches, they're on sale for $5.99. We have a digital for $1.50 off. So use that digital, and then there's a rebate on Ibotta for $3 back, just making it $1.49. That's a great price. I don't know, these like grilled cheese, I guess. That's a pretty great deal, so awesome. Guys, we have an awesome deal for the Funables fruity snacks, either the mixed berry or the strawberry. These guys at Kroger are mega $5.29. We have a rebate on Ibotta for 50 cents back, and then there's a Shopkick, which you can buy it in scans. You're gonna get back $3.26, making this big old thing of fruit snacks $1.53, which is awesome. I originally was super excited because there's a rebate for the small ones as well, but they don't have it in the right kind. It has to be just the plain mixed berry, and all the ones in my Kroger are like Bison's one, Baby Shark and Trolls and stuff like that. It's not just plain mixed berry, so the skin kicks won't work. But this one is a go, so awesome deal for the Funables. Alright, so this deal's not marked at my store, but the Daiya vegan cheese. These guys are a part of the mega event for $3.29. And there is a $1.50 rebate over on the Ibotta app. So it's just going to make these $1.69 per bag of the Daiya vegan cheese or whatever. So pretty nice deal for some vegan shredded cheese. Now this will not be with the actual shredded cheese. It'll actually be in the vegan section. My Kroger has a vegan section by the produce. So that's where you should check. But yeah, pretty great deal if you are into vegan products. Alright guys, we have a pretty great deal if you are dairy free. Kroger has the So Delicious ice cream, 2 for $10. That's just $5. You don't have to buy two. $5. There's a rebate on Ibotta for $1.50 back, and there's a rebate on Kroger Cashback for $1.50. Makes it $2, down from $6.99. That's pretty awesome. Those are included too. They're even more expensive. So that's great. Thanks to one of my awesome subscribers, Sarah, for the heads up for this deal. That's an awesome price. All I got for this Kroger video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. Awesome time to come shop at Kroger. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.